Okay, hello, I'm Kaini. Today I'm going to solve another question from A-level past year papers. This is again from February-March 2019. This is paper 3, variant 2, and this is the code of the paper 9709. Okay, this is a question on trigonometry. It's an equation. He's asking us to simplify this and get tan, exact value of tan theta in the form of the surds, involving surds, and you don't need to simplify your answer. Okay, now let's see what we have. We have sine theta plus 60. No, sorry, plus 45. Plus 2 times of cos theta plus 60 and 3 cos theta. We can expand this. We know that sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Now this will be therefore sine theta cos 45 plus cos theta sine 45. Now this is done. Now this 2 times. Now I'm going to expand this. This is cos, therefore will be cos theta cos 60. Cos theta cos 60. Then this is opposite of this, therefore this is negative here. Then sine theta sine 60. Sine theta sine 60. Then equal to 3 cos theta. Now remember, if you have an equilateral triangle, suppose its side is 1, therefore if you draw a perpendicular here, therefore this is 90, therefore this is 0.5, and this also will be 0.5, this will be 30, this is 60, and if you do the Pythagoras theorem, you are going to get here a square root of 3 divided by 2. Now using this, or some people they like to write it here, here 2, therefore here will be 1, here will be a square root of 3. Okay, now we can see that from here, therefore sine 30 is 1 over 2. Then cos 30 is a square root of 3 over 2. Sine 60 is a square root of 3 over 2. And then cos 60 is 1 over 2. Now, if you draw what is that? This is a right angle, but the angle is 45. Therefore, if this is 45, so since this is 90, therefore this also should be 45. Therefore, these two are same. Suppose this is 1 and this is 1 by Pythagoras theorem. This is square root of 2. Therefore, we can say that sine of 45 is equal to cos of 45 and is equal to 1 over the square root of 2. So this is 1 over the square root of 2 and tan equal to 1. Okay. Anyhow, this you keep in mind. Then I'm going to substitute the values here. Therefore, this is 1 over the square root of 2. Therefore, 1 over the square root of 2 sine theta. Cos also will be the same thing. Therefore, 1 over the square root of 2 cos theta plus cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 over 2. Therefore, 2 times of 1 over 2 is 1. Therefore, this is cos theta. Sine 60 is a square root of 3 over 2. Times 2 will be a square root of 3. Therefore, minus a square root of 3 sine theta. And equal to 3 cos theta. Now, I will divide throughout by cos theta. Divide by cos theta. I'm going to get 1 over square root of 2. Why I'm dividing by cos theta? Because we want tan. Therefore, cos theta should be in denominator. Therefore, sine over cos is tan. Since we know that tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. So, if I divide by cos theta, all this sine changes to tan. Therefore, this will be tan theta. And this will be only a number, 1 over square root of 2. And this is 1, and this is minus the square root of 3 tan. And this will be 3. Now, take all the numbers that side, or to get rid of this, I will multiply everything by a square root of 2. Therefore, times by a square root of 2. Multiply by a square root of 2. Therefore, this will be 1. Therefore, you are getting tan theta here. And here also you are getting 1. Here you are getting a square root of 2. Here you are getting minus a square root of 6. Tan theta. And equal to 3 square root of 2. Now, I can say 1 minus the square root of 6 tan theta is equal to, take everything the other side, therefore this will be 2 square root of 2 minus 1. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 2 square root of 2 minus 1 divided by 1 minus the square root of 6. Therefore, this is the final answer for the value of tan theta. Now, I will erase this part. We don't need this anymore. Now, hence solve the equation so and so when theta is between 0 and 360. Now, if you from here I can find theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse of this number here, 2 square root of 2 minus 1 minus the square root of 6. Just put in the calculator and get the value. Theta is equal to negative 29.75. Now, since this value is negative, is not valid, therefore not valid. But this is actually correct. That means if you put theta this much inside this, you are going to get this equation. That means this one is equal to this one. This is correct. But we don't want, because it doesn't fall in our range. Now, what to do? Now, you know that you can add 180 to any angle so the tan doesn't change. Therefore, the next answer is 180 minus 29.75, which is 150.25. Therefore, this is one of our answers, which is falls in this range. Again, you can subtract this from 360. Therefore, the other answer is 360 minus 29.75, which is 330.25. Therefore, this is another answer which falls in this range. The next one will be actually 180 plus this, which for sure will be more than 360. Therefore, these are the two answers which falls in our range. If you want me to solve any question for you, put them in the comment section below, and I can go through that, and then I will solve it for you and put it in our channel. Thank you for watching.